Jack, wake up. It's 7:30.
What, 7:30?
Our flight to Switzerland is at 10.
Oh no, we're late!
Come on, hurry. We don't have time.
Oh! Okay, I'm up!
Mila, Ben, wake up, sweethearts.
5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today, and we're going to Switzerland.
Snow and mountains. Snowy mountains and trains. And chocolate. Yes, but only if we catch the plane. Where's my pink jacket?
In your drawer, sweetheart.
I can't find my shoes.
They're under your bed. Again. Passports.
Tickets, chargers,
Snacks.
in the red bag.
And coffee.
Of course.
Ben, what did you pack? My toy airplane and my cap. What about clothes?
Oh, right. Passports,
Check.
snacks.
Check. Let's go. Did you call the taxi?
Yes, it'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I'm so excited.
Switzerland, here we come.
Let's go, family.
Good morning. Are you Jack?
Yes, that's us. May I have your ride code, please?
Sure, it's 4582.
Thank you. Destination?
The airport, Terminal 2.
There we go. That fits perfectly.
Oh, Hector.
Excellent. I'll put this one right on top then.
This one fits perfectly right here.
Okay, I've got the next bag ready.
We're finally going on vacation.
Slide all the way over, sweetie. Okay, Ben, hop in next to your sister.
I've never been on a plane before.
Me too.
Are there clouds inside?
No, but you'll see clouds outside.
Do airplanes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Ben.
Oh no, traffic.
Relax, we still have time. We'll reach soon. What will we see in Switzerland?
Snowy mountains, lakes, and beautiful villages.
And maybe we'll see the Alps.
The Alps? Are they bigger than buildings?
Here we are, Terminal 2.
Hey.
Perfect, thank you.
Wow, so many people.
The airport is always busy.
It's like a big city.
All right, team, let's check in.
Our adventure begins now. Then we go to the airplane?
Almost. After that, we go through security.
What's security?
They check your bags.
To make sure nothing dangerous is inside. Like toy swords?
Look, over there.
That's our airline counter.
I see it.
See it.
Good morning. Where are you flying?
Zurich, Switzerland.
May I see your passports? Do you have checked luggage?
Yes, 2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale. Here are your boarding passes.
Wow!
Is this my ticket?
I'm next to the window. I want to see the clouds too. You can share. That's a long line.
It moves fast.
What happens now?
Please remove any metal items.
Even watches?
Yes, please.
Why do we remove our shoes?
For safety.
Even shoes?
Everything looks good.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Coffee time.
Sandwich, please.
Fries.
Please.
Sandwich, please. Fries.
Flight to Zurich now boarding.
That's us. Let's go.
Wow, it's so big.
Welcome aboard. Find your seats.
Prepare for takeoff.
I'm a little nervous. It's okay.
The clouds look like cotton.
I want to touch them.
Only with your eyes. Welcome to Zurich, the mountains.
They're huge.
Our adventure
begins.
We made it!
It's beautiful. Wow.
Can we see the mountains now?
Let's find our driver.
So many signs.
I see one. Wait.
Are you the Jack family?
Yes, that's us.
He spelled it a little funny.
It is beautiful. It's beautiful.
Can we see the mountains now?
The air feels so fresh.
Oh, it smells different.
Like adventure.
Welcome to Switzerland.
Thank you.
Let's go.
It's so clean. Look at the train. It's beautiful here.
It really is.
The mountains. They're huge.
Those are the Alps.
Here we are.
It's beautiful.
Is this our hotel?
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon. We have a reservation.
Jack Miller.
Miller.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow! We can see the mountains. This is perfect.
This is just the beginning.
Tomorrow will be even more exciting. What will we see next? Can we go to the mountains?